Review for transformation quiz. Okay, number 1. Rotate A. You're going to have this on your quiz tomorrow, okay? Very much like this. Question A. Rotate hat 90-degree counterclock. Label the new triangle H prime, A prime, T prime. List all coordinates on the graph. Okay, list all coordinates on the graph. Okay. We know 90, the number switch, okay? So label this coordinate. That's 6, -1, 6, -7. That's 3, -7. 90 degrees counter, the 0, 90 degrees counters over here on top. You switch the numbers. So instead of, for H, instead of 6, 1, you put 1, 6. Put H prime. A, instead of 6, 7, you put 7, 6. A prime. And T, instead of 3, 7, it's 7, 3. T prime. Okay, and you're supposed to write all the coordinates. 7, 3, 7, 6. Did we flip it? Yeah, we did. Okay, good. And this is 1, 6. Okay, now, then B here, reflect hat over the y-axis. Write the word image inside the new triangle. Reflect it over the y-axis. This is the letter Y right here. So reflect it over that line. Okay, this triangle hat, reflect over that line. Oops, make sure on your test that I can read the numbers. If you mark it somehow that you can't read, rewrite it. 3, -7, like that. Okay, so reflect means to count. Count 3, 3. Okay, you have to write in a letter. Oops. And then that's 3, 6, 3, 6. And then this is also 6. Okay. And then connect the dots. And it says to write the word image inside. I-M-A-G-E. Okay. Next one, rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. 0, 90 degrees. So the label the new T. Oops. Okay, I meant to write. Here is G prime, H prime, and I prime, okay? List all the coordinates on the graph. Okay. List all the coordinates. This is -2, 4, -2, 1, -4, 1, okay, now 90 degrees, the number switch. H prime, instead of 2, 1, it's 1, 2. It's H prime. I prime, instead of 4, 2, 4, it's 4, 2. And the last one, instead of 4, 1, it's 1, 4. That's G prime. Connect the dots. Got a rotation. Reflect GHI over the x-axis. Here's the x. So reflect over that line. I'll use another color. Reflect over the x-axis. GHI right here. H is 1 over, so you go 1 over H right here. Says, does it say write the word image inside? Yep. 1 over for G too also. Then I is 4. So 1, 3, 4 right there. And write the word image. Okay. Explain the type of transformation that occurred to the left. Okay, obviously it flipped from here to here. Most likely it's a rotation. This is 0 degrees. This is 1, 2, and it became 2, -1. Yep, it's rotation of 90 degrees. Rotation of 90 degrees clockwise around the origin. Translate NMOP, that's this MNOP, 3 to the left and 2 up. So translate 3 to the left and 2 up. 3 to the left and 2 up. Label the new printer N prime, O prime, P prime. That's P prime. 3 to the left, and that you erase. And 2 up. Up. Label that NP, that's O. That's the new one. Displaying the type of transformation that occurred in the graph to your left. Okay, it's not a reflection. It's not a rotation. Didn't flip. This in here is called translation. It's translation, but when you do translation, God, I stopped for a while, didn't I? When you do translation, you have to count. So it went from here, from letter H to this corner without a letter. So you had to go 2 to the left, and after that you go 4 up, right? Okay, rotate HLM, that 90 degrees clockwise, 0, 90, right here. Label the new figure H prime, L prime, N prime. Okay, 90 degrees. We know the number switched. Now on your test, I'm going to ask you to write all the coordinates here. 4, -2, 1, negative 5. Okay, 1, negative 2. All right. It goes over 90 degrees, the numbers change. So instead of 1 to 2, it's 2, 1. H prime. Negative 2, negative 1. Okay, and instead of 4, 2, it's 2, 4. Instead of 1, 5, it's 5, 1. Negative 5, negative 1. That's M prime. It just doesn't look right. 1, negative 2, so it's 2, 1, 4. Oh, this is 4, that's why. Negative 4. So this is 4. Okay, next one, same thing. All right, here, rotate. This is very much like your test, okay? I don't know how to tell you this, but very much like your test. Okay, rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. Okay, you rotate 90 degrees counter. That's 0. Counter is the opposite way, so 90 is right here. Around the origin and label it K prime, L prime, N prime on the graph. Write all the coordinates of KLM and K prime, LM prime on the graph. So we want to write, okay? The coordinates here is negative 3, 5. And this here is negative 3, 1. This here is negative 5, 1. Okay? So, now, what you need to do, 90 degrees is switch the numbers. So instead of 3, 1, it's 1, 3. Instead of 3, 5, it's 5, 3. I'll put K prime, L prime. And instead of 5, 1, it's 1, 5. Okay, so they want the numbers here, negative 1, negative 3, negative 1, negative 5, and this one is negative 3, negative 5, negative 3. Okay. Anything else? No, it's only one thing. Well, your quiz look a lot like this. Rotate this 180 degree clockwise, 0, 90, 180. Numbers stay the same. Label H prime, J prime, K prime, and L prime. Okay, the numbers stay the same. List all the coordinates, the pre-image and image. This is the pre-image and image. Okay, let's list all the coordinates. H first. Supposed to graph it too. H first, is 1, negative 2. I is 6, negative 2. J is 6, negative 5. K is 1, negative 5. Okay, now we're gonna 180 degrees stays the same. So H prime comes 1, 2, negative 1, 2. I prime 6, 2. So 6, 2, negative 6, positive 2. I prime, H prime, 6, 5 becomes 5, 6. Uh-oh. 6, 2. Okay, hold on. 6, 5, and then 1, 1, 5 becomes 5, 1. What in the world? What did I do wrong? 1, 2, 6, negative 2. 6, negative 5. Why is it wrong then? Okay. 1, 2. Oh, I didn't switch the number. It's 2. No, it's 180 degrees. Stays the same. Should look exactly like this. Did I switch some of the numbers? Yes, I did. That's why. Ah, I don't switch for 180 degrees. Keep it the same. Okay, keep it the same. 1, 2. Let me write it first before I graph, okay? I mess up so much here. Oh my God. Sorry, guys. H prime, 1, 2, 80 degrees, stays the same. I, 6, 2, J, 6, 5, K, 1, negative 5, okay? Okay, so 1, 2. Start over. 1, 2, right there. That's negative 1, 2. That is H prime. And then 6, 2 is right here. That's I prime. J is 6, 5. K is 1, negative 5, 1, positive 5. And then K is, that's K prime. Connect the dots. Don't forget to connect the dots. Reflect Hij over the x-axis. Okay, reflect this over the x-axis. Count 2. Count 2. Count 5. So they put H prime, write the word image inside the new rectangle. Okay. All these are pretty much the same. Translate, that means to slide. HMT, 4 units to the left and 5 units down. And label H prime, M prime, and T prime. Write all the coordinates on the graph. Okay, you have to write all the coordinates on the graph. So, 4 to the left, 4, and 5 down. Four, 5 down. Five down. Oh, one more. Right there. Right, all the coordinates says on the graph. So 4, 4, 4, 6, 1, 4, 0, 1, 3, -1. Okay. Okay, 8. Clockwise around the origin and label it V prime, W prime to the graph. Write all coordinates on the graph. Okay. 90 degrees clockwise is 0, 90 degrees right here. Write all coordinates on the graph. Okay. This is -5, 3. -1, 3. -1, 1. Okay, 90 degrees. The number gets switched. So V is 3, 5. One is still right here. One positive 3 is right. One, 3, 5, and then 1, and then 1, 3. It says 3, 1 right here, right? Okay, now solve these. Use a calculator. Put 3 divided by 8, then times 8. Should get on your calculator 3 should appear. And then bring down this x plus, 3 divided by 8 times 16. Use your calculator. You should get 6 as an answer. 4 plus that. Ten plus 3x equals to 10. There's a plus sign, you need to make 0. Minus 10 minus 10. 3x equals to 0, divide by 3. One solution. Okay, distribute, -4 plus 8m, 8m, combine these, 16m, Wrong, this doesn't have an M. Oh no. Wrong, you make 0. This doesn't have an M. You can't do that. You know, you need to make 0 because there's a plus here. So you minus. Add 4. 32 equals 16M. Divide both sides by 16. Oh my gosh. One solution, right? Doesn't go in, goes in 2 times. One solution. Okay. Next one. Let's distribute first. Okay, make 0 to the y's. Infinite solution. It's late. Okay, and then C. This is one solution also. Okay, make one. If there's only one plus on each side, we can make zeros now. Minus 8M gives you negative 3M plus negative 11. That's 0. 0 plus negative 20 is negative 20. Okay? Then there's a plus here, so you need to make one of them equal to 0, the 11, because it's like this one. Divide by negative 3. One solution, right? Okay, next one. This side has too many plus. You have to combine the like terms. 5 plus negative 9 is negative 4. 4k plus that. Okay, and then you do make 0 because there's a plus. Make 0 to this one because this one's like that one. Add 4, add 4. 36 negative equals to 4k. Divide both sides by 4. Okay, negative 8. No, it's not 8. 12. No. Okay, 4 goes into 36 how many times? Doesn't. 9. Negative 9 times. So which one we can make 0 now because each side only has one plus. So when we have more than one plus addition problem, now make 0, doesn't matter which one you make 0 to. Let's say you 5 minus 5w, get negative 2w. So 2. Uh-oh. You can combine these together, they're alike. 2w negative 5w hold on. Combine this, you get 2w equals to 2, divide by 2. W is 1. I'm so tired. Okay, one last one. Okay, this is one solution, by the way. Your family is having pizza from Circulate. Oh, that's the same as your test, right? $6 delivery fee and means plus for $8 each. So 6 plus $8 each. Each means times the number of pizza that you're gonna buy. Write an equation. An equation has an equal sign for circuit for total amount, which is cost, for each order and delivery. Define your variable. Okay, so they don't want you to write the whole word pizza. So you're going to write P equals to A. P represents the number of pizza you're going to order, the parent order. And A was, A is the total amount in cost, right? If your parent had $100, how many pizza could family buy? Put 100 in A and solve it. 6 plus 8p equals to 100. Solve it minus 6. 8p equals to 94. Okay, 94 divided by 8. You get 11. P is 11.75. How many pizza can your family buy? You can't buy 3/4 of a pizza, so your family can buy 11 pizzas. That's it. I hope I did this right, 'cause, man, I'm just tired.